It's full. You just gotta lock and load it. I'm gonna show you how to bump fire it. Hold that trigger after you shoot. Now release. So watch when you, if you pull it, if you just hold it like this, and you get it to shoot, click one time. See what I'm saying? But if you hold it down, you can get it to vibrate and shoot.
That's clearing room there, ain't it, huh?
And it was going straight right toward that target too. Huh?
That's bad there.
You want to try it?
Nah, go ahead.
Come on, try it.
I'm okay.
Huh?
I don't want to.
Why?
I just don't. I just shoot targets.
Did you have too much fun doing that?
Yeah, I don't always bullets. I'll be out here fucking racing all my damn. I like to hear it though. Sound like a fucking machine gun, don't it?
Yeah.
Da-da-dow, da-da-dow.
It started getting down there for a second.
Yeah, it did. You racked off about 6 real fucking fast.
Yeah.
Fuck.
But try it. Just hold it down, like I said, hold that trigger and let it
rock.
Yeah, take it off. But hold the trigger one time. You're good. Alright.
That's how much a rock on it, huh? No wonder the fucking Koreans hated us.
Oh shit. That's awesome.